Okay, this one is for real this time. Last time, would you stop sending me text messages? This is what happens when you give a cat an angry bird. She just... Oop! Over, puppy. Oh, shit. Are you okay, kitty? Look at that. Look at that. She's eyeing it up. Puppy, you better get out of the way. Oh my god, I really gotta stop putting her into the trash. Puppy got an angry bird too, so let me show you.